We are living our dream here and like to share it with you. It's May. After the spring rains, the garden is at its most beautiful. Look at the colors and the shape of the irises. Nigella in the mist, a spectacular creation of nature. To decorate the plate, one of Hennie's favorites. The roses mixed with wild flowers. It's a true delight. A treat for all your senses.
Yo, Hennie, I'm here in the garden. I'm making a sundowner for you.
Wow.
Or for us.
I'm coming.
Okay. Got a nice gin and tonic for you, Hennie. I think you'll love that.
That's really, really nice.
Okay. And for me, I prepared strawberry with gin and some cava. Oh,
Let's mix it then, eh?
yes. I can try from you and you can try from me.
Yes, like always.
Okay.
Look. Put nigella, you put nigella in.
Yes, some nigella and some
Geraniums?
geraniums.
Ah.
Hey, cheers. Whoa, this is lekker.
Love it.
Oh, I love sundowns.
The Melia, or called Tree of Paradise, with its million pink and purple flowers, it's a party for all the insects. We try to fit in the cypresses, figs, olive trees between the stone oaks to create a natural landscape. We hope you come to enjoy and see it for yourself. More than welcome